teacher and my dear friend. A very great morning to all of you. We are the proud student of DRM Public School. Today date is 15 December 2023 and day is Friday. Today I am here to speak the working of the cell. Working of a cell. Galvanic cell or Valtonic cells were also known as cells. This was used to generate electricity current. Each half reaction takes place in a separate chamber or half reaction containing electrode. The electrodes where oxidation occurs, the anode, and the electrodes where reaction occurs in the cathode. Galvanic cell or voltaic cell. This device that generates an electric current from energy which is released during spontaneous redox reaction in two of half reactions. These are some features. Redox, a chemical reaction which is reversible in nature, in which one reaction is an oxidation and the other is a reduction that is reverse of oxidation. Half cell, either of the two parts of the electrochemical cell which contains one electrode and one electrolyte. This is the diagram. This is working of a cell. This is a zinc rod. This is a copper rod which is dipped in copper sulfate solution, and the zinc rod is dipped in zinc sulfate solution. The zinc loses its ions and make zinc 2 plus, and the electron with this wire goes to the other side. All knows that the current always flow in the back side of the electrons. When they flow, this can generate electricity, and at a time the electrons going there will at that time the agar solution tube was used to continue the process. It was filled with sodium sulfate which help in zinc and copper sulfate without mixing. Salt bridge. The salt bridge plays an important role in the electrochemical cell. It is U-shaped tube filled with inert electrolyte solution with agar solution. This will usually KCl, KNO3, NH4, NO3 electrolytes are used. The two main functions of salt bridge are: the salt bridge completes the electrical circuit by correcting the two solutions internally. The salt bridge maintains the electrical neutrality of two half reactions. Overall cell reaction. It is written by adding oxidation and reduction half cell in such a way that the electrons are cancelled from both the sides. Copper 2 positive plus zinc gives zinc 2 positive plus copper. Thank you. Have a nice day. We shall bless you a bright future.